Okay, so we just left the cafe. What can I say? Like, I don't know, man. I guess when they called and said that they didn't have the spinach and mushrooms, that should have been my cue right there, just to be like, okay, never mind. I mean, it's a good vibe when you first go in. Nadia, hold on for a second. It's a good vibe when you go in. You know, the setup is nice, I would say. The setup is nice. Just that my food, I don't know, like, I wish it had the spinach and mushrooms in it. Maybe I would have ate more of it. The omelet. You know what? I need to work on my throat chakra. Like, I really do. Because had it been another person, I just can see them, you know, thinking that the egg wasn't cooked all the way. But it looked like butter at the same time, so it's kind of like hard to really tell, because it wasn't like slimy, but I don't know. Grits, they were good. I mean, I had to put salt on them, of course. Everybody doesn't like salt on their grits. Some people like sugar. That's fine. Put a little salt and pepper on the grits. The fruit, I don't know. I guess, I don't know if they had it sitting out or it was old, or I don't know. I don't know, man. I won't be back though. Once I have a not satisfied experience about something or someone, I'm just not coming back. I'm never coming back. I'm never gonna talk to you again. So you can just forget it. So that's just me though. I don't know. I don't know anybody that personally came here and had anything good to say or anything to say at all. But I did see it, and I was interested in it. I typed in vegan breakfast, and this is one of the places that popped up, so boom, I came. I mean, the lady inside, Miss Kendra, she was nice. She was very nice. She seemed nice anyway.
Mommy.
But anyway, I'm off here. And I'll take my child. She wants to play with my phone. And she asked for French fries and nuggets. But on the bright side, I made a soup. And so, yeah. I'm going to take it to my friend and let her tell y'all how the soup tastes. And we'll see. And